Good morning, fam. We're here in Palm Springs, California, bringing you Toy Drone Olympics Games 2. Are you ready, Judah?
Let's see who can do the best flips between Tello.
Mambo! Right.
Okay, for the Toy Drone Olympics Acrobatics Games, we're going to see which drone can do 4 flips and land the bed. A flip forward, a flip backwards, a flip left, a flip right, and then land on the bed. Who do you think is going to do the best? Make sure you comment below and let us know. And don't forget to subscribe. This is Mambo. 1 flip, 2 flips, 3 flips, 4 flips, all right. Did them all correctly. Boom. Great job, Mambo.
What? Okay.
Oh, there's a flip. There's another flip. Ooh, there's a flip left.
Might not flip left, right. Daddy, you definitely gonna be.
Oh, he didn't do the 3rd flip and he didn't land. So that's what, 3 points? Say Tello. You want Mambo still? You don't want Tello to win? Team Mars though.
Mambo, Mambo, Team Mambo, all the way.
Launch mission. Flip forward. Come on, baby.
That's cool, baby.
Did the back flip.
Wait.
Right flip. And the left flip. Would he land on the bed though? He started in the middle of the bed. Oh! Did he land though?
That was pretty cool.
Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna count that. Should we count that as a land?
No.
Okay. Because he needs to land on the bed, huh?
I know, he did a pretty good job.
He did do the flips good.
That is awesome.
I think Mambo won.
Yeah, Mambo did them all. He landed just right. All right, guys. So it looks like Mambo won this round.